Maintaining your paintbrushes is key to ensuring that they last for many projects to come. Hi, I'm Annette. This is how to clean your paintbrushes properly. Let's get into it. First up, it's important to know what type of paint you've been using on your brushes. This will determine how you clean your brushes. If you've been using water-based paint, you'll just need some water to clean up. For oil-based paints, however, you'll need to use mineral turpentine, commonly called turps. For water-based paints, start by rinsing the brush thoroughly under water. Make sure to get all the paint out from the bristles, especially near the base, where it can build up. It might help to gently work the bristles with your fingers or a wire brush if you have one. If you've been using oil-based paint, you'll need to use turps to get your brushes clean. Pour a small amount of turps onto the brush, then swirl it around, making sure the bristles are fully submerged. You'll notice the paint starting to dissolve into the liquid. Once the brush is clean, give it a final rinse with soapy water to remove any remaining residue. Now, regardless of the type of paint, you want to remove any stubborn flakes. This is where a wire brush comes in handy. Gently comb through the bristles, starting from the base and working your way to the tips to get rid of any flakes. Be sure not to be too rough, as you want to keep those bristles intact. Once the brush is clean and flake-free, it's time to dry it. Gently squeeze out any excess water or turps with a clean rag, and then reshape the bristles to their original form. Finally, store your brushes in a dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. And there you have it, clean paintbrushes ready for your next project. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.